Pwede bang mag-walk?
I didn't realize that.
Di ko alam yun, di ko alam.
Connect the dots, wow.
Excuse me po.
Teka muna.
Correction lang po. Hindi po ako text ni Dre Estrello. Hindi ako ba? Kasi nakalikod ako eh.
Anong reaction ni Derek?
Pangit naman ang word kasi.
Sige, hindi taga sa ano ba?
I didn't look at it that way.
Lady lang mo.
But for me, I'm very happy that I get to work with different women, talented women. When Bianca did her first project, I think I sent out a text to welcome you to TV5, and I wanted to have the opportunity to work with her, and here it's presented itself. So it was a great experience working with Christine, with Jed. Now I'm having a great experience working with Bianca.
So possible din ba? Possible din ba
Na
na ma-develop kayo?
Anything is possible in this world.
Oh, ayan.
Tapos,
Single ka ba ngayon, Yang?
hindi.
May jowa silang dalawa, te. Alam ko.
I-confirm na.
Ay, sorry.
so
So, yun na, sinabi ka ni Slim.
Okay naman ako eh. Alam naman ako, I've been with the same person for almost 2 years. Pero syempre, di ba? You can never can tell.
Oh, so, Derek,
Happen in the future.
open pala sa'yo si Bianca.
Kahit na kasi naghihiwalay. So,
Oh!
Good answer.
next topic.
it doesn't matter. 2 years, 6 years, 1 month. Pwedeng magsimula.
Swerte talaga nito, no? Ano lang, nasa iyo.